How to download Verdansk update in Warzone on Xbox Series S or Xbox Series X. The first step is on the home page here on the dashboard. Click up to go to the My Games and Apps section. Click A to go into that section there. Then you can scroll over to Call of Duty. Then you can press the little start menu button in the middle part of your controller. There you should be able to see this pop up where potentially you might see update there. If so, go ahead and click on update and it will start. You can also do the same on the home screen as well, actually, if your game is available there. Also, you can go to manage updates, the bottom left hand corner there, then click on updates in the top right. Then if an update is available, you'll be able to see it in here. You'll be able to click on Call of Duty, then click on update, and then click update again. That's if it's available. Remember, it's uploaded onto the Xbox servers around April 3rd, so you will not be able to get it before. If it's not there, it's not available yet, you'll have to wait. And then once it is available, you'll be able to do exactly this like I showed you. It will download, then you can go ahead and click on it, then you'll be able to play Verdansk in Warzone once the download is completed. Leave a like on the video if it helped, subscribe for more helpful videos.